Hey everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to share with you the National Stamping Day bundle. Okay, this bundle starts September 1st and you can get everything in the bundle or parts of the bundle. It's up to you what you want to do. There is a discount if you buy the whole bundle. And let's go ahead and get into it. The bundle also comes with instructions for a card workshop. So these are the cards that you can make, but of course these supplies are great for all kinds of designs. So I'm super excited about it. All right, so let's get into it. Let's just pull everything out. Okay, so you get card bases and envelopes, and then black cardstock, and that looks like green cardstock, and then a bunch of white daisy cardstock. Okay, so let's get into it. And then one of the other basics is a pack of clear sparkles. Okay, so the specialty items in this workshop. Let's start with, where should we start? There's so much. Okay, let's go with this stamp set first. This is a stamp and thin cut and stencil bundle. Okay, so this one is called Dragonfly Wishes. So it comes with stamps and coordinating thin cuts, and check out these stamps. Aren't they awesome? You've got cattails and flowers and dragonflies and some great sentiments, and then you have thin cuts for all of these images, and even a rectangle for the thank you. So nice. And then the extra thing in this collection are stencils. So once you've stamped out your image, you can use your stencil to add color just in those areas on the wings. And so there's a stencil for each one of these dragonflies. So cool. Okay, so that one is Dragonfly Wishes, and then the next one, just going by what's in the pile here, the next one is called Hello Fabulous, and it's also a stamp plus thin cuts plus stencil. Okay, so this one I'll have to show you a thin cut that's coming to be seen in a second. So first let me show you the stamps and the thin cuts. So these are some great sentiments to put on your cards. So you've got "You're the best," "Hi," "Congrats," "Hello Fabulous," and "Hey there," and then some floral images and happy face and some other images there. And then you've got the coordinating thin cuts for all of those images. And then this stencil is kind of cool because there is a, where is it? Thin cut. This is the Circle Lattice Background Thin Cut. So you can use it on its own, and it cuts these this design, and then it also adds stitching, and then it cuts the exterior of your card along with stitching along the outside of your card there. But this stencil, you can use it to add color for each of these cells, so that when you layer this overlay over your card base or another piece of cardstock, you can have colors in each of these openings. So you just take this stencil and you add it to make your colors, and then you flip it over to make these colors. So first you're doing these, and then you're doing these. So super cool, super cool. Okay, so those two, and then the next one is really cute. It's called Floating By, and this is also a stamp plus thin cut plus stencil, and you get in this stamps that have really cute images that you can color with tri-blends or colored pencils. We've got a hedgehog and a little bird and a fox and a bunny and a mouse, and they all look like they're holding this balloon, so you can make them look like they're floating. Okay, and then of course there's coordinating thin cuts for all of those images. And then there's a stencil. I don't know if you can see this. There's a stencil that makes clouds in each of these openings. You can stenciling clouds to your card front. So you can make it look like your little critter is floating amongst the clouds. So cute. And then there's a bunch of coordinating sentiments to go with that. And then, okay, let's do these first because they're cool. This is a card front plate that die cut. It doesn't die cut, it cuts out the exterior, but it adds stitching and swirls in stitching on this. It's called the stitched swirl background. So the only cutting lines are the exterior of the card, but these do the stitching. It embosses them into your card front. Super cool. And then this one is clouds. So you get your exterior and then your stitching, and then each of these clouds are cut out, but then there's stitching around each of the clouds. So you can use that stencil to add color in all of these cells as well. So very cool. That is the cloud background thin cut cover plate. And then for all your cards, you're always looking for sentiments for the inside of your card. So we've got a large E-size stamp set. I didn't forget your birthday. I'm just extending the celebration. You were all kinds of amazing. No one deserves it better than you. Make the world a better place. Lots of really good sentiments. So, and then this one, just a little hey to brighten your day. It's time to celebrate with cake. Lots of cake. And then there's also sentiments that if you're going to do a landscape card, you can have your sentiments fit inside a landscape card as well. So wishing you a day that is wonderful as you are, so grateful for a friend like you, etc. Super cute. So this bundle is available starting September 1st. I appreciate you watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.